यूनिक दिवाली रेसिपीज में आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूं एक स्पेशल रेसिपी। तिरुमिसु तो आपने खाया होगा, आज हम खाने वाले हैं हेल्दी चिया-मिसु। To make this interesting recipe of Chia-misu, we're going to start with 2 spoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. We're going to add some coffee to it, 1 cup of milk, whisk it nicely, and then we're going to add 1 spoon of honey. Lastly, we're going to add 1 bowl of black chia seeds, mix it nicely and let it chill in the refrigerator for 2 hours. We are then going to use berries of our choice. I'm using frozen triple berries from Dole. We're going to add them in a bowl and then add some hung yogurt. Blend it in the mixer to form this smooth paste. Before I plate this, let me tell you that I'm using nutritious fruits courtesy Dole. They have quite an impressive range of healthy juices and canned fruits. इस दिवाली पे अगर आपको कुछ मीठा खाना है, choose a healthier option as these products have no added sugar and are full of vitamin C. Plus, they are conveniently packed so we can enjoy tropical fruits all year long. And now back to plating. We're going to take our chia seeds base, we're going to top it with our berries and yogurt mix. At last, garnish it with fruits of your choice, some dry fruits, and your chia-misu is ready! So now you know दिवाली पे मीठा हेल्दी भी हो सकता है। अगली रेसिपी कौन सी लेकर आऊं? आपके पास 2 ऑप्शंस हैं, बेल पेपर का डिप या फिर पान का चॉकलेट। Let me know in comments below and happy Diwali!